Ipapakita nila kung paano ka mag-toothbrush. Ano mo ikakunin mo, pero late na, ano nalaman na lang.
At the first day of our training, I learned about nutrition and food safety. That we need to know the food, the right food we eat. We need to have a balanced diet. Especially now, I'm aging.
Pero di naman sakit yung tuhod mo.
Hindi na, kasi dahil sa natutunan kong pagkain sa course na ito. Actually, pinapractice ko everyday. Also, the food safety, yung paano hugasan yung mga vegetables, and how to eat we need to eat a rainbow. They call it a rainbow color food. So, how many rainbow color we eat every day?
And the third day, it's about how to take care of our food and how to cut the cutting of proper leaves. And the fourth day, which I enjoyed a lot because it's the fourth day, is how to take care of the elderly, how to communicate, and how to deal with the mood swings.
What is that?
Right?
Mood. Yeah, the mood.
The mood swings, right? So I thought I'm making it up, so I want to make it sure. And then after that one, and most of all, Sister Jo, thank you for the tea break. Guys, thank you so much who provide our snacks. It's really lovely. And all those cheering. Thank you and God bless you.
Parinig ko yan!
Naging valedictorian, di ba?